This is the Zenith 14122. It has the manual choke. This is the model 33. It does come with a gasket. And as in all genuine Zeniths, it should have the Zenith casted into the body.